Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove game from your wishlist on Steam. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Steam is a platform and app for distributing games online that also has social media features and community message boards. It was developed by Valve, the same Valve that created the Half-Life, Counter-Strike, and Left 4 Dead games. It functions like an online shop and community portal combined and is one of the most popular gaming platforms out there. So on my previous video, I have shown you how to add games to your wish list on Steam, how to find your wish list game. It's very simple. So now what if you want to remove game from your wish list on Steam? Maybe for some reason you want to remove it from your wish list. It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Steam. So if you want to add games to your wish list, you can just select on here, add to your wish list. Now if you want to remove it, you can just go to your wish list. You can select on here, or you can go to store, open your wish list. So here's all my wish list game. Now if you want to remove the game from your wish list, you can just select in here. There's an option here, so you can see the date when you add this game to your wish list. And if you want to remove, you can select on remove. So now you have removed that game from your wish list game on Steam. It's very simple, right? Maybe like this one too. It's been removed from your wish list. And also you can short the game like this. Short the game list on your wish list. It's very simple, right? So that is how to remove game from your wish list on Steam. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.